Okay guys, so ngayon naman nandito tayo sa Fuji Safari Park. I have something interesting for you today. Charot lang! Hello! Last year, na-confirm natin na si Sloan works in Taiwan. Nakapag-withdraw ako, diba? And gusto ko subukan siya mamaya pag upo namin kung makaka-withdraw ako kay Sloan. Ito naman si Sloan, it's a cash loan na maa-avail through Shopee. So it goes directly to your Shopee Pay. And from Shopee Pay, pwede mo siyang ma-transfer. And with Shopee Pay, you can get up to 100,000 na credit limit, but it depends, syempre, on the provider, kung magkano yung ipoprovide sa'yo. That was the porcupine, guys. Sanay sila na fini-feed sila. Kaso, if you get food for the animals, you need to pay for it. 100 yen. So, what I plan to do is, kung maka-withdraw ako sa aking S-loan, ita-transfer ko naman siya sa GoTime. Kasi, yung GoTime ko nakalink sa Google Pay, di ba? And yung Google Pay naman yung susubukan ko dito. So, last year, sabi ko sa inyo, di ba, na-try ko to. Nag-work naman siya sa Taiwan. And now, sige, login muna tayo sa ating Shopee. Okay, first of all, Shopee, nagwo-work dito, mabubuksan siya. And then, punta tayo ng S-loan. Medyo matagal mag-log. Pero nabuksan ko siya, guys, ha. So, meron tayong mawi-withdraw ngayon. Pero hindi pa yan nagtatapos. Minimum siya, 500. And maximum, whatever is amount na available sa'yo. So, with S-loan, makakakuha ng 100,000. But depende na yung kay Shopee or S sa provider kung magkano yung magiging credit limit. Kala ko kanina, ayaw mag-work, guys. Kasi, nag-error. Pero inulit ko lang. So, try natin 15K. Yung ma-receive mo, syempre hindi yan buo kasi meron siyang admin fee na 1%. Yung admin fee niyang 1% is 150. So, 14,850 yung matatanggap kapag 15K. So, may pagpipilian ka, 12, 9, and 6 months. Minimum is 3 months. So, say for example, gawin nating 6 months mga guys. And yung magiging monthly mo is 3,272.47. Yan. So, click natin yung withdraw now. Hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. Click muna natin yung withdraw now. Saka natin malalaman. O, ayan, pin na. Ayun. It works. So, itong si S-loan, pwede pala pang OFW if that's the case, guys. Pero siguro, sa pagkakaroon mo ng offer nasa Pilipinas ka, but once may S-loan ka na, pwede mo siyang gamitin in places like Taiwan and Japan. So, it's confirmed. And nakaka-receive ko lang po ng aking mini-draw na S-loan sa aking Shopee Pay wallet. And for convenience, gagamitin ko siya ngayon pambayad ng aking S-Pay later. Kasi hindi ako makapag-transfer. Anyways, hindi ko naman sinasabi guys na bayaran mo yung utang with an utang. It's just that, for convenience, within the app, pwedeng dyan, pwede mo naman bayaran siya kaagad at marireplenish at kung gusto mong bayaran agad. Kasi maaasahan naman to si S-Stone. Pero right now, kasi alam niyo naman kung saan ako, and magjuju yung aking S-Pay later. So, this is the course that I'm going for. Not the best, but this is convenient para sa akin. Of course, kailangan pag-isipan kasi mga ganito kasi it comes with convenience fees, admin fees, yung mga stuff like that. So, just plan your transactions carefully. Anyway, so, yun lang. Dyan po nagtatapos yung ating vlog kasi meron pa kaming tour. Sa safari tour kami, magsasakay kami ng bus. So, bye for now. So, S-Loan works here.